guys, Donna Lisa with Zulu Info. We are at a moment in time, antique and collectibles in Memphis, Tennessee. And every time I come here, I don't know, I have a time filming. It's kind of, okay, let's go in here and see what we got. I like the vintage fans. You can fix them up and have them in your room. And when you see something, get it, or someone else is gonna get it. Oh, look at these tables here. Oh, these are nice. You see these nestling tables? Look at that. $59. Those are absolutely nice. Oh, wow. Let me look at this again. I think I saw this. That's beautiful, but that's just a little too antique. That's a unique piece right there. Oh, look. The Orpheum Theater sign. Oh, wow. That's unique for a theater room, something like that. That's really unique. And that is $2,500. So if you all ever see something that you like, you probably can call the place, pay for it, and then we can get it shipped to you. Look at this, that's unique. That's nice, $149. That is really nice. Those pendant lights. And that white light is nice also. Wow. There's some really nice lights. You like this wicker for $89. Oh, there's some nice lights here. Look at this. Ooh, that's unique. That's $295, but look. This is unique also. We just did this lamp light thing. And they will take prices down. If you see something that's been up for a while. Guys, I missed this nice drawer. vintage drawer that was here, and I let it get away from me for $40. I could just kick myself. We saw those doors the other day. They've been sold. But there's another vintage fan, $75. I try to do 40, around $40. And sometimes when you find, this is not for sale, this is a part of the, but when you find vintage doors like this, I question if I should paint. I found a door, and you don't want to take the patina off the paint. Some of it is cast a look old, but some of it, like, somebody may have done a little work to that, and you just don't want to take it off. What's going on? There may be a part 2 to this, or a part 3, or a part 4, but we do what we must. And guys, let me tell you, I don't just restrict to Memphis. I go out the country, I go wherever the goods are. So bear with me. Please subscribe. Subscribe, share. I'm always going to have something on this channel. All antique places or vintage places are not one and the same. I do go to estate sales. I don't really do yard sales and the Goodwill and the Salvation Army. I just started doing that. But I will go wherever the goods are. And see, this doesn't look like, okay, where's the price to this? $500. I think $500. That's pretty. But guys, we're gonna be everywhere, all over, looking for finds, vintage finds. We are a vintage modern channel. We will do some antique. I like the old radios. Now that's something that I would definitely buy. And I have quite a few of them, and they work. And one of them I kind of broke trying to move in. Are you all ever interested in stuff like this for your man cave or bar? You know? Are you ever interested in stuff like that? This would be okay. This is $155. That would be okay for a dressing room, walk-in closet. And you have a dressing room. This is butcher block. Oh, I like this. $175. This is nice. I tell you what, we're gonna keep our eyes on this, hoping they'll go to $100. And if they do, we can put it in the smaller house, the greenhouse, if they go down. Okay, guys, I'm coming back to you for part 2.